Okay, next what we need to do is put the train on the track with what's called a slider joint or slider mate. And this one gets a little bit tricky. We want to make sure that we end up with positive offsets. So you may have to do, and order matters on this. So I'm going to select the back side of the track, and then I'm going to select that back face of the train body. And then when I put my offsets in, I should be able to use an X offset of 1 inch, and that moved it over, and a Y offset of 1.594 inches. Okay, and we'll see that that moved that in the right location. Now, if that does not put the train on the track with positive offset values, we're going to run into some problems with the rest of the assembly and getting it to animate. So order matters. I pick the back of the track and then the train. If you get negatives, try selecting the train body and then the back of the track. And hopefully then in going in the other order, you'll get positive values. Okay, so now we have a slider joint on there. And then after the slider joint, what we're going to need is a rack and pinion. And a rack and pinion is going to need one of our revolutes from our wheels. So I'm going to try revolute 1 and then that slider joint. And the distance that it's going to move would be the circumference of the wheel. Pi times diameter, so 3.14 times 2.25, which is about 7.07. Okay, so that's the distance per revolution that I need to put in, 7.07. And I'll go ahead and hit the check mark on that. Okay, and finally, now what we've got, we can go ahead and animate the train. So we're going to start at 0 inches, end at 30 inches. We have 36 inches of track or so there. And we'll go ahead and press play. And we can see our train should be going back and forth. If the train wheels are spinning the wrong direction, then one change you can try is that rack and pinion reversing the direction on that constraint. But that's why it was kind of important for us to get positive offsets when we put our slider joint on so that this operates correctly. It doesn't like having negatives in there. So there we go. We now have a train moving up and down the track.